Okay, so I'm just voicing over this. This is not recorded live. I'm going to show you how to set up rewards for ontime. So this basically, after a certain amount of time, can get rewards for your players. So we're going to edit the config YML. You can right click and edit with Notepad, Notepad++, like that. Or for me, I'm just going to double click it and open it with Dreamweaver, which I've set for my default. I am using YML files instead of MySQL. So I'll now move Dreamweaver into the area so that you can see the screen. And the first thing I'm going to do is change the name of my server in this config file. Okay, you should now be able to see the screen. I'm just going to move down and change my server name to Craftopia. Okay, so I'm going to enable purge underneath that, so if they've not played enough, they will be demoted. And the minimum time for them to have their data saved, I'll leave that as 10, I think. Oh, 15. And 30. So if they've not logged in for 30 days, they will be demoted back to member. So I'm going to enable demotion so that they can be demoted. So this target group here underneath that, I'm going to leave it, but I'll come back to it and change it in a minute. I'm going to change the top list max right there that I'm on, underneath it there, to 5 for the top 5 in the server spawn area that you can see on the wall. Enable data, I'm going to put that to true. Well, leave it as true. Oh, here we go, I'm changing the default group to member, which is my customized group in permissions X groups. Autosave will be left as enable. And I'm going to leave the autosave period as 1 hour, so every hour there'll be an autosave. But if I shut down the server, there'll be a save there. So backup will be enabled as true, so there'll be backup files available to me. I'll have to just type a command in the console to generate those backup files. Auto backup is going to be true. I don't actually have voting enabled on my server right now. I'm changing all these voting things to false. So the playtime collection, I'm going to leave that as true. So it'll collect not only their time on the server, but their time actually that they've spent playing. Okay. So I am actually collecting detailed collection for the days, weeks and months. Don't know why I turned that on, because I don't even have my SQL. I'm just using YML files like I said before. But anyway, so I'm going to leave that as 2, the next one down. What that basically does is change the day of the week that your weekly files will start at. So 2 starts at Monday and ends on Sunday. So on Sunday I can generate a file of the top players and that sort of thing, and what rewards were given that week and to who, and what for. Now I'm pretty much going through to find the 2 basic things that you've got to enable, which I'll show you. So if you don't enable these, then you basically leaving on time as off. So there we go. I think we're nearly there now. When you do get there, I'll just highlight them to show you. There we go. So the first one, basically what that's doing is enabling the on-time reward system, and then the next one down is basically, I should be highlighting these in a second. Yeah, that next one down, the bottom one there, is notifying players, and the one underneath that, you can see there, basically broadcasts the message to all online players, not just that player that's been rewarded. So if you are that player, you'll get a "you have been rewarded," or if it's the broadcast to the server, the server will get a message saying Bob Marley has been awarded with a diamond because he's played for 3 days or something like that. So you're now done. So in this file, there are other files to be edited. I think there's like one more. So just save that and you can exit. And then rewards.yml is what we're going to be editing now. So we're going to actually add some basic rewards. Okay, I'm going to type something very important right now. Once I've got it so that you can see it in the screen. Okay, so you can edit this file if you want, but or you don't have access to the console. But what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to edit the console because it's easier. Rather than going through and syntax and everything, you just put a few commands. But I'm doing it in the console. You cannot see what I'm typing now. I've just put I'm doing this in the console. I don't know. Yeah, you can't see that, but it says I'm doing this in the console. Okay. And goodbye. So, but yeah. So you can just go to multiplayer and you're ready and join the server. But then you'll have to disconnect anyway. Okay, so I'm just going to join the server just to make sure all the files are loaded and it gets a log of me. It starts. So what I actually do now is see an enderman in the spawn and think, oh crap. So what I do is I try to do a regional flag with world guard but forget the commands and thought, yeah. So basically I wanted to stop enderman grief so he doesn't like mess up my spawn area, but I basically forgot the command. As you can see, when you could see there when I was typing, it said you have an on time of 5 minutes or something. There at the top you currently have an on time total of 5 minutes. So now I just teleport it to spawn and it lags.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So I'm just going to set the time to day and make it sunny. And you can see my house there, which is cut into thirds.
What's on it, like mini game for what?
Because of renderness. Okay. So now. Okay, so I just got a message off Crap Gamers, who's basically gonna be in a video soon. We're just sorting something out.
What's on it, like mini game for what?
Okay, so this is the command you want to do. On time rewards, add your reward type. I'm just adding that because I want economy. I want to give them money as a reward, but where I'm putting the cursor, you can use anything you want. I'm going to be showing you how to add XP and items. And then you want to put the amount. Type amount. Come on, type amount. Right, okay. So we're going to put the amount right there. So I want to add 5,000 of my currency, which is waffles. So if you play for an hour, you'll get a message saying new reward successfully created. Reward number 1, 5,000. After a time of 1 hour. The reference is play. So you're playing. That's when you play, and then the scope is the total of your play time. Now we're going to add some XP. On time rewards add XP. So we're going to add some XP. The amount of XP that you want to add. So I'm adding 10,000. How long? I add it as 1 hour, and then get a warning that I've already done it for 1 hour. Added a reward. So I delete it, which is a good job, so I can show you how to delete awards. So as you can see, reward #2, reward number 2. So you put on time rewards, remove, so I try removing the actual thing, but it doesn't work. So what you need to do is you need to add your reward hashtag. So mine's reward #2, so I need to put remove 2. So yeah, remove 2. Or if I was to remove the first one, it'd be 1. So there you go. Reward over 10,000 XP for an hour, successfully deleted. So now what I do is I change that to, I think it's 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. You can do M or D for minutes and days, and I'll show you how to do I think a day now. So basically what you want to do is you want to put the same reward system, on time rewards add. We're going to do an item now, so we're going to add a diamond after, I think it was 2 days. Item number, so how many of the items you want to give, if it's a stackable item, and then the item ID. You can use IDs or you can use names. 2D for my block names, amount of time, so after 2 days you get a diamond. So the thing is, you can't loop it, you can't make it every 2 days you get a diamond. That's just a total of your playtime, so once you've played for 48 hours, you'll get a diamond. So now we will double check the rewards system has worked, and the ones we added are enabled. So we'll do a specific command. Right, so the command we'll do is, we'll do on time rewards list. Alright, and it'll show you the reward. You've got the total of 1 hour, 2 hours and 2 days, and then to the right that's the reward that you've set. So you've got 5,000 10,000 XP and a diamond. The reason I want to give 5,000 is because it's 1,000 for a bit of raw beef or whatever you call it. So yeah, those are the rewards that you defined. As you can see where it says that there. On my server, money is not very valuable, to be honest. Okay, that is pretty much the end right now of the tutorial. Next time I'll be showing you how to set advanced things, like how you can change it for certain players, how you can add world flags, how you can give them certain commands, how you can promote them using your permissions system and your ranks. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, rate, comment and subscribe. Check out Crap Gamers as well. It's crap in capitals and then gamer and 3 Z's. Good channel for Minecraft and stuff there. So yeah, just stop the server. Done. Click any key. Boom. You have successfully set up basic rewards using ontime plugin. Thank you for watching.